Welcome to our channel, The Crazy and Busy Mom's Life. In today's topic is quiz on animals. How many types of animals are there? Mammals, birds, water animals, insects. These are the 4 types of animals. Which animal is called the king of jungles? Lion. Which animal has the longest neck? It is giraffe. Giraffe is also the tallest animal. Which animal has black and white stripes? Zebra. Which animal has a long nose called trunk and likes to eat sugarcane? It is elephant. The long nose is also called the trunk. Which animal likes to eat bamboo? Can you guess it? It's the panda. Which animal eats carrot? This is easy, isn't it? It's the rabbit. Name 3 flightless birds. This is ostrich. It is emu. And this is penguins. Which mammal can fly and give birth to its young ones? This is bat. Bat is also nocturnal animal. Name 2 animals used to carry loads on their back. Horse, and donkey. Which animal guards our house? This is dog. Dog guards our house. Name 5 nocturnal animals and birds. Fox, jackal, Bat, and owl. These are the 5 nocturnal animals and birds. Which animal gives us milk? Cow. Which animal gives us wool? Sheep. Which animal gives us meat and milk? Goat. Thank you for watching.